Hello my friends, this is Janice with Paul's Dream and Joy, and today we're going to make a very simple card, and it's a sweet little card. So let's get started. We're going to use a craft card base, and this is going to go on the bottom. And then this piece is going to go on the top. I could have used a whole sheet of this and just let one of the colors overflow to the other one, but I wasn't sure exactly if I wanted to do that and if it would just be a waste of paper. So I ended up just cutting them to help my paper go back to last a little bit longer. So we've got that. Then we've got this little guy. Now we can do this, or we can do this. We're going to wait and see. And we've got this little sweetheart. I will have a link in the description for everything that I'm using. So if you like anything that you see and you want to go check it out, you can do that. She's from Creative Fabrica. The image is not from Creative Fabrica. That's just a stamp set that I have. So don't be alarmed if you just see her and not the stamping. And if that goes for any of my other projects that I've done, and I forgot to tell you that, but hopefully I've told you that, or it was somewhere else and not added with the image. All right, so she's going to go here, and this is going to go, I don't know, somewhere over here, I think, just for no reason at all. Maybe I'll even, let's see, and then we can put this over here, or we can put it like this, not on top of her face, obviously. All right, let's put this down. Let's put this here. Let's see. I think I want to put this down first. Let's put this guy down. Then let's see, she's going to go here. So I think I'm going to put this here. Maybe. There we go. We'll put it like that. All right, so let's get her glued, adhered, put down here. And we shall put her there. How's that? We could do her sideways. We haven't done sideways in a while. I do like doing things sideways. Let's do it sideways. I'm a little odd, a little off.
Yeah. True.
Which makes life so much more fun. All right, let's just do that because that's cute. And we're done. That's how quickly this can go. Yay! Ta-da! Sorry about all that dinging. Yay! Y'all have a wonderful day. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye!